Okay, guys. So I realized something yesterday and I started testing it. I'm gonna show you guys. So I realized that the reason that people are leaving is because there's a disconnect. Okay, so for those of you who have taken my digital marketing training, you know what they call AdSense. So AdSense is when somebody starts searching for something online and they click a link, and let's say they are here, and we are telling them that they're gonna get, when they click this link, they're gonna get shoes. And they click, they go, and they don't see shoes. They see only maybe bags of cement. They don't see any shoes. So you promise them that if you click this link, it's gonna take you to a page where you're gonna see wedding shoes. And they go there, they see cement. Immediately that happens, they're gonna leave. They're gonna bounce and leave because they're gonna say, maybe I'm in the wrong place. That is what has been happening here with our ads. So generally, the ads I'm running now are mostly image ads. They are not video ads like before, because we had a lot of problems with our Facebook account. I started running image ads because I had to use my consultant's Facebook account in Africa. And in Africa, uploading videos, it's very slow with this slow speed of internet. So when I used to use my own account, I used to upload the videos. And if I add myself as an account manager to run their account, they're gonna say their account is being associated with somebody that has been shut down. They're gonna shut down their account. So I delegated everything for them to do, and then so we're forced to use image ads. So there are about 10 images, 10 different images of me like this, and this is the ad. And so when people click, in most of the images, the person they see is me. They don't see. So when they click, they come to the website, they see this offer, and then they click here and they put their name and email, and it takes them to the next page. Another thing that happens is that they still see me because it's me here.
Hello, welcome. I'm so excited that you gave us your email.
Speaking in the video. Now, when I promise them that they click, we're going to show them what's going to happen. When they click and come to the WhatsApp and they don't see me, boom, there's a disconnect and there's lack of trust and they bail out. That's why most people are leaving. So the problem is AdSense. And to fix that issue, I started fixing it yesterday and I realized that it made a whole lot of difference. So I'm going to show you some examples. So I think let me see, I think I did a couple of ones. I did aging nutrition. Let me see. Okay, so you can see here, I did this yesterday, and immediately, so it means the person joined. Okay, let's see. Okay, the person joined here, right? Immediately the person joined, I came and say hi there, and I say, how are you doing? And then immediately, so now they are seeing this face, and it's the same face that they saw on that page. Remember, is the same face they saw here. So AdSense, it means that they say, oh, I'm in the right place. This is a guy. And I post now, let's look at what I post. I said, hello, my name is Sylvester Nkomo Ashu, aka Sly and the Brand Maker. Welcome to the Winning Trio partnership between Brand Maker and Aging Nutrition. I'm excited to talk to you about the Winning Trio system for starting and growing a successful business. I'd love to invite you to a special presentation I'm doing on the date and times below, Monday, September 20th at the following times. So I now put the time, that because this is a scheduled presentation I've not done for this company. So there are two types of companies. Those have already done the presentation and those have not done the presentation, and the response is different. I'm going to show you the two options. So I give them the day and I give them the time, and I say, please make sure you attend. It's going to be awesome. The presentation will be slightly over 1 hour, but we'll be packed with life-changing ideas and knowledge. I'll be giving away my best-selling Brand Maker Challenge course that I used to sell for $500 last year for free to those who attend and stay till the end. The training course will teach you Facebook advertising that sell, email marketing that sells, and how to build special websites that sell called sales funnels. Here's the link. Boom, to the Zoom. See you in class. While you wait to attend, please check out the following testimonial videos from Aging Nutrition. So we put the company testimonials there. Next, kindly watch this video to get a quick start on how the Winning Trio works. Now, when they click this one, it takes them now to the other presentation that is already there, so that they have something to be doing while they are waiting for the presentation. because as you can see here, the presentation starts on Monday. Monday is still several days away. So that creates instant rapport. See what happened. See, it engaged the lead immediately. See what the lead said. It said, the lead said, well done, thanks. And then some other person said, thanks. So now a new lead has come. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to forward, click forward. And then I'm going to select this. I'm not saying that this is what you should do. I'll show you what you need to do, because a lot of people are doing this now. They are forwarding my message. It's wrong. It's still going to create mistrust. So that's why I call you guys here. Only I can forward my message, because the person is going to check. They're going to see my number. And then they're going to, so it creates trust. Let me show you something here. So once I'll forward that, as somebody has joined me, I'll just forward that I'll forward my face and my message. I'll forward it to the same group, AG Nutrition. Okay. So if you want to find the group, just type the name of the group. I just start with the first two letters of the name. AG is going to pick the name, and then I just forward it there. So you see that's forwarded. Now it's going to create rapport with this person, because this person has seen my face in that video, and they're going to still see my face here, and they're going to say, okay, I'm in the right place. Okay. So they'll be settled, and they can listen, and they can read, and they'll be safe. So that is how it works. Now, how are you going to, if you are in charge of this group as a consultant for this group, how are you going to do this? There's a different way you're going to do this. You have to show your face, and you have to say your name, but you have to say something very important. You have to show your face. You say, hey, my name is Mohammed Adebayo. I'm a business partner with Sly and the brand maker. Sly, I'm here to represent Sly. So I'm going to be forwarding you Sly's message to you. Okay. Then now because for each group, I'm going to drop this message so that you can always forward it, but you cannot just forward it like that. You have to be very transparent. You have to say, my name is Mohammed Adebayo. You put your photo. Welcome to the winning tree. I'm a business partner of Sly and the brand maker. When you say I'm the business partner of Sly and the brand maker, you have to show them my photo. So every one of you, I will forward you. You have to show them my photo, and then you also forward them my message. So you say, hey, I'm a brand maker of Sly. I'm a business partner of Sly and the brand maker. I'm here to represent Sly and to answer your question. Let me start by forwarding you a special message from Sly. Let me start by forwarding you a special message from Sly. Then now you're going to forward two things. You're going to forward this one. You click forward, you select the image, and then you also select the message. If you are using your mobile phone, don't select the two at the same time and send. If you do that, the message is going to come first, and my image is going to come later, and it's not good. If you're on your mobile phone, select only the image and then post first, one by one. Select the image and post, and then come and select the message and post. It's going to be in that order, so that they come first and the message later. So that's how it works. If you do that, you're going to create immediate trust, and they're not going to leave, and they're going to trust you too, right? Because now that you've said you're my business partner and you forward them my message, they will trust you. So that is why then time and time again, John Paul is going to be a roving ambassador. He's going to be roving in all of the 25 company groups. He's going to become, time and time again, he's going to be posting my face. The reason only John Paul can do that is because John Paul is masking as myself. So what we are doing is that John Paul has connected to my computer from a distance using TeamViewer. I have two phones here. This red phone is for John Paul. I have another number here. So I connect this phone to my computer that's here. John Paul connects to my computer from Cameroon using TeamViewer, and he posts as if I'm the one posting with my face. So he can do that while I'm working on other things. He can do that on all the groups. So sometimes he will actually come and respond as if I'm the one. And then when he's not there in your group, and you'll be having this post that you can use, just follow the protocol I've said. So we're going to do one example. So can somebody here at Gamo, you listen, can you go to your group and take what I posted there for forever, which was a training? No, you're a bad example. You know why you're a bad example? Because your training is not, your training, we just finished doing your training. So the recording is not ready. And we cannot say that we are planning a training in the future when it has already passed. So you are not a good example. Moses Obaje is a good example because we already have a recording there. I've already done an example there. Let's see who else. Or John Paul himself can do that. So John Paul, if you are listening to me, you can go and do that. Or Mohamed Adebayo, but I need to create for you. So I have Christopher Azobli. That's the perfect candidate. So Christopher Azobli, you are here. You are in charge of La Buena Vida. Go and apply what I just said. Go there. And when you are ready to type, let me know and I'll tell you the exact words you need to type. Hello, Chris, are you there? Can you hear me? Hey, Chris.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you do what I just said?
Yes, I'm ready to type.
Okay, now you're ready to type. The first thing, go to your group so that I can be seeing you. So you're ready to type. Just type, just first of all, publish your photo. You always start with your headshot. So post your headshot. Okay. Now, when you are doing this in high traffic environment, because now the traffic is low, when you are doing this, the first thing you want to do is first of all, go to, you are an administrator in your group, right? Go to settings. So go to settings in the group settings. Have you gone there? Go there and
yes, sir.
And click group settings.
Okay.
Look under send messages.
Okay.
Select and means only.
Okay.
So now, because in a high traffic environment, you can be having 10 leads joining at the same time. So if you don't block it, by the time you finish doing all of this introduction, they will mess it up. So now that you've blocked it, post your headshot. Have you posted it?
Yes. Should
Okay.
I do it again?
No, don't do it again. Just say, hi, my name is Christopher Azobli. So while Chris is doing that, I'm going to show you what he's doing. So this is his headshot.
Okay.
He has just done his headshot. And then now he's now, you see now that you see what I was saying that you're blocking. So somebody has already, so you have to do it again because you see the person has actually blocked you. So just put your image, put your headshot again now. Okay, fine. So hi, my name is Christopher Azobli. Okay, now repeat, hi, my name is Christopher Azobli. You can just copy it and paste again because I want it to be in that order. After your photo first, yeah, then say, I am a business partner of Sly and the brand maker. I'm a business partner of Sly and the brand maker. Take your time. That's why
okay.
it's good to block them so that you take your time, you are relaxed. Because when you're writing that message, you're actually writing to 10 people. 10 people will just join. So there's no need to hurry. All of them will see the message.
So should I post this one before I continue?
Post it, yeah. Post it, post that one. I'm a business partner of Sly and the brand maker. Okay. So I'm here to represent Sly and the winning trio. That's your next sentence. Okay. I'm here to represent Sly and the winning trio. Okay, guys. Well, welcome to this amazing. Oh man. So somebody's working the other computer. You see, people connect to my computer. Okay, now you can say I want to share. I'm here to answer all of your questions. Okay, let me start by sharing. Let me start by forwarding a special message from slide. Let me start by forwarding a special message from slide. Okay, this is very important. Now you are taking authority. Then now, go now and put my headshot. So go up and take the last message I did here, which is this one. Forward my headshot. You're using your phone, you want to first of all go one by one, forward my headshot, then after forward this message. That's it. That's what you do. So from now henceforth, that's what you do. Simple. Once you do that, you've bridged the gap of mistrust. They can trust you now. Does that make sense? And then, because the reason you are when you are doing this, John Paul is not there because John Paul is using my other account that has my name and my face, has my photo like this. So when John Paul comes, maybe after 30 minutes, he will still do the same post here. He will still do this post here with me and the post from my number, which is gonna sound is gonna give additional endorsement on your previous post. Does that make sense? Okay. That's how you guys will be working. So John Paul will be roving on all of the groups, supporting you guys. Meanwhile, you guys will be doing that bridge introduction. And from there, it's gonna solve the mistrust problem.
Okay. So yeah, please, after this, can I change the group settings from admin to all participants?
Very important. Go back and do that immediately. It's very important that you do that. You don't forget. Go and do it immediately. Yeah, because if you don't do that, people are not, they're gonna leave because they will not know what to say.
Okay.
Yes, you've changed it back, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, so now they can respond. So watch the response. You will see that this kind of interaction now, this kind of introduction is gonna get more engagement and less people leaving. And we're gonna monetize most of our leads. The reason they've been leaving a lot is because of that lack of trust. Because initially when we were running video ads, there was no lack of trust because they saw the only people that were coming are people that have already watched the forever video. They like it. They like what they saw before they came. So when they came, they are already like half sold. Does that make sense? And that is why in the new process, you see me, I'm putting here, I say, while you wait, watch this, because now that we've already, in this presentation, we have everything packaged together. We have the testimonials there. We have the entire thing that I've just put in one long presentation. So now it makes a lot of sense. So they are going from a total lead that doesn't know anything to watching the replay. And then boom, they're going to love it. So, and remember I said here that if they watch the replay up to the end, they're going to get the course. So most people are going to watch it. We've had people that have watched the replays and they have been sold without even coming to the live training. So we're gonna test this and it's gonna work, trust me. Because when people trust you, they can do things that are unbelievable. Okay, so any questions before we go? Because I need to prepare my next presentation in 40 minutes. Mohammed, are you there? Moses, are you there?
Yes, boss, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. Did you get that? Did you understand what I said there?
Very, very well. Very, very well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to solve the problem. Okay, so I'm going to leave now. That was the end of the training. I just wanted to give you guys that short improvement there so that we can fix that issue of lack of trust before as we go forward.
Okay, boss. It's just to take the message and put the link for the
one more important thing. I like the fact that you asked that question. You don't have to do that. John Paul, I did that. I started doing that yesterday. Then I dedicated everything to John Paul. John Paul is responsible for sending you guys all of the scripts, the 2 types of scripts. The script for each company, there are 2 types, first of all. Those who have had presentations done and the recording is available, and those who have not had presentations and the meeting has been scheduled. He's going to send it, depending on the company, he's going to know which category the company falls in, and he's going to send you the script. All you need to do is just do what I said here so that everything is effective. He takes care of the script. He takes time carefully and he does it. He sends it to me. I approve it. And then he sends it to you guys. So right now, I'm just gonna quickly send you the Rain International script with the recorded this thing. Okay. So so that's it. So even if for your case, Mohammed, since you guys are doing recorded live presentation, is the same thing. If you are doing a recorded live presentation, you instead use a script for those who have not done presentation yet. Does that make sense? So I'll send you the 2 scripts for Rain International. You can do both. You can do both. You can test both. You can do, sometimes you post the one that is a recorded thing, and then sometimes you post the one that is the scheduled thing, where when they come in the evening, you actually play my presentation as if it's live. So you can do both, okay? And then we'll test which one is going.
Okay, boss.
Yeah. I'll send you the 2 scripts for you in particular, but for the rest of you, John Paul, I've already taught him how to adjust the scripts and send to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna end it here. Judith, you're coming late. Patience, you are coming late, but everything is recorded here. And I'm gonna send you guys a recording so that you know what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, bye-bye. Let me run.